You motherfucking faggot. You need to motherfucking stop looking at that motherfucking computer screen right motherfucking now. You think you all motherfucking that cause you looking through this motherfucking computer screen. Well, if you think you all motherfucking that, then come through the motherfucking computer screen cause only a real nigga can come through the motherfucking computer screen, my nigga. I came through the motherfucking computer screen the other motherfucking day, motherfucking slap the bitch. Yeah, you think you all that motherfucker? Let's go. I'll rape your ass, motherfucker. I'll get a knife and cut your ass right in the dick, you feel me, motherfucker? You think you all rapping and dapping? I'll motherfucking shoot your bitch ass. Who you think you is, motherfucker? Motherfucking faggots always trying to motherfucking talk shit like they a motherfucking boss, but you ain't a motherfucking boss if you don't even know the motherfucking game, my nigga. You don't even know the motherfucking game, coming up here acting like you the motherfucking boss. I'll rape your motherfucking whole family, my nigga. Fucking make your ass scream and shout all motherfucking day, all motherfucking everywhere, you motherfucker. Who the fuck you looking at now, bitch? You scared, motherfucker? You better be motherfucking scared, you motherfucking shit whore. Motherfucking make your dick fall off your ass. You know why I can make your dick fall off your ass? Cause your dick is a bitch, motherfucker. Motherfucker rip it. I said motherfucker so many times. Motherfucking